Kemble information, Golf Alpha, Victor Bravo Golf.
Sorry, last station, calling Kemble second.
Golf Alpha, Victor Bravo Golf.
Golf Alpha, Victor Bravo Golf, pass your message.
Yeah, we just parked opposite the tower. Request airfield information and taxi back to Wellesbourne, please.
Golf, Bravo Golf. Taxi to the north apron, runway 08, right hand circuit, QNH 1020.
Taxi to the north, 08 right hand, and say again the QNH.
Golf, Bravo Golf, QNH 1020.
1020, Golf, Bravo Golf.
Taxi 232 Bravo, we're just approaching downward, a little bit high at the moment, but it will come off.
Fraction 232 Bravo, roger, report final.
Report final, fraction 232 Bravo. Fraction 232 Bravo is final.
Fraction 232 Bravo, runway 08, land at your discretion, surface wind 350 degrees, 16 knots.
Land at our discretion, fraction 322 Bravo. 232 Bravo.
Golf Papa Foxtrot via Delta 1, report lined up runway 08.
Via Delta 1, report lined up, Golf Foxtrot.
Fraction 232 Bravo, when ready, 180 backtrack, vacate right on Bravo and taxi to the north apron.
Okay, when ready, it's a 180 backtrack, vacate Bravo and then to the north, fraction 232 Bravo.
Golf Bravo Golf, power checks complete.
Golf Bravo Golf, taxi holding point Delta 1.
Delta 1, Golf Bravo Golf.
Golf Papa Foxtrot, hold on the runway, there's jet traffic backtracking to vacate.
Golf Papa Foxtrot holding.
Golf Bravo Golf, just to be on the safe side, can you pull forward if you want, quite happily over the Delta 1 hold line, just so this citation has got wingtip clearance.
Wilco, Golf Bravo Golf.
Lovely, thank you.
232 Bravo, we cleared to exit on Bravo.
Action 232 Bravo, 8 firm, right turn on Bravo, then straight ahead to the north apron.
Okay.
So welcome back to another private pilot vlog. We're just departing Kemble. I say we, so I'm just departing Kemble after fairly interesting landing. The cafe's closed here, so I had a nice cup of coffee and a bacon sandwich from a wagon due to the cafe's roof coming off. And we've just got a citation just landed in front of us, and they're just taxiing behind us.
Golf Papa Foxtrot, runway 08, take off at your discretion, surface wind 040 degrees, 18 knots.
At my discretion, Golf Papa Foxtrot.
Golf Bravo Golf, fire Delta 1, report lined up, runway 08.
Fire Delta 1, port lined up, Golf Bravo Golf. Hopefully you'll catch that citation on the GoPros. Beautiful little aircraft coming in from Greece.
Golf Bravo Golf, the PA28, correction, the Tomahawk ahead will be turning right into the circuit, runway 08, take off at your discretion, surface wind 040 degrees, 18 knots.
Golf Bravo Golf, turning on, taking off. Okay, that looks good. Airspeed's alive. There's our rotation. Bye-bye, Kemble. 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 Avoid the village. Oh, there we go. I can hear myself now.
Golf Papa Foxtrot, downwind right hand 08, and this one will be a full stop landing.
Golf Papa Foxtrot, roger, report final.
Full final, Golf Papa Foxtrot.
Well, that was quite an interesting takeoff. Bit of a, well, quite a bit of a crosswind there. Lovely airfield here at Kemble. Whoa. So we pretty much got a headwind going all the way back to Wellesbourne. It's a north easterly wind, which is pretty much the direction we're heading in. Will be when I turn on track. Golf Bravo Golf, changing frequency to Rise Radar 124275. Thank you for your service.
Golf Bravo Golf, you're most welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. Cheers. Goodbye. Well, there are nice guys at Kemble. Rise Radar Golf Alpha Victor Bravo Golf.
Golf Alpha Victor Bravo Golf, Rise Radar, pass message.
A PA28, just out of Kemble, back to Wellesbourne, 2700 on 1020. Request basic service, please.
Golf Bravo Golf, basic service, squawk 3715.
3715, basic service, Golf Bravo Golf.
Golf Bravo Golf, 5QNH also 1020, confirm current altitude.
1020 and 2750, Golf Bravo Golf.
Order.
Wow, look, I just love the clouds, so cool.
Golf Uniform Echo, request frequency for change to Kemble information. Golf Echo, Lima Uniform Echo, squawk 7000, free call Kemble 118.9, good day. Free call Kemble, frequency 118.9, Golf Uniform Echo.
So the flight back to Wellesbourne is going to be slightly longer, as I just mentioned, because we've got a headwind directly on our nose. So we've got about 25 minutes, it only took about 20 minutes.
Golf Uniform Zulu, surface wind check.
On the way down.
Golf Uniform Zulu, Bryce, surface wind 04013 knots.
Beautiful day though, so glad I came up. If you're a regular watcher of my channel, you probably see me use my Sky Demon, but I don't normally have it attached to the yoke, but that's because my ram mount has been broken for a few months now. So I normally just lean it on my knee, which is great. I do love doing that, but I was looking at buying a new ram mount, because I do like having it attached to the yoke. Some people don't, some people do. So I was looking on the website the other day and discovered they have a lifetime guarantee. So I took a shot of the part that had broken, which was just a part that actually clips onto the mount, it's split. And I emailed the guys at Ram Mount and emailed me straight back and very kindly sent me out a new part. So thought I'd give it a air test today, back on the old yoke. When I was using the Sky Demon over the summer, the temperatures are 25-30 degrees. Because I had it in my lap, I think my heat regenerating off my legs made it overheat, and the heat of the cockpit as well. Whereas when I've had it attached to the yoke, it's never overheated. So yeah, it's great, great little device. If we're lucky, you might be able to join the long final for 3-6 back at Wellesbourne. There's not much traffic around. I imagine there's probably more at Wellesbourne. More going on at Wellesbourne today than there was at Kemble due to the crosswinds and obviously the cafe closure. You can't beat a bacon sandwich at Wellesbourne. Kemble come close, but there's nothing as good as Wellesbourne, I don't think. I just want to say thank you for all my new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed already, please click on the subscribe button and the little notification bell below, as it helps me grow my channel. And every time I post a video, which is normally about once a month, sometimes twice a month, depending on what's going on, you'll get an email saying that I've posted a video. Okay, 16 miles south of Wellesbourne. Yeah, I'm just going to position for long final.
Golf Alpha Victor Bravo Golf, now 12 miles to run to Wellesbourne, squawk 7000, free call Wellesbourne 124, decimal 025 today.
7000, 124, 025, thanks for your service, sir. Wellesbourne information, Golf Alpha Victor Bravo Golf.
Golf Alpha Victor Bravo Golf, Wellesbourne, pass message.
Just 12 miles south of field, request join instructions.
Golf Bravo Golf, join to runway 36, left-hand circuit, the QFE is 1016, currently one in the circuit.
101636, left-hand, Golf Bravo Golf. Golf Bravo Golf, 7 miles south of the field, like to join long final for 36.
Bravo Golf, report established long final.
Report established long final, Golf Bravo Golf. Golf Bravo Golf, long final for 36.
Golf Bravo Golf, Roger, report final.
Report final, Golf Bravo Golf. Okay, fuel pump can come back on. Brakes are off, flaps in. Golf Bravo Golf's final for 36 left hand.
Golf Bravo Golf, runway 36, landing discretion, the wind is 03011 knots.
Golf Bravo Golf. Okay, it's 36 ahead of us.
Wellesbourne information, good afternoon again from the Mosquito 07 Lima, descending to 2000 feet, QNH 1022, 4 minutes before turning the overhead from the south area.
Mosquito 07 Delta, roger, QNH is 1021.
Copy, QNH 1021, we call you back approaching near overhead, Mosquito 07 Lima.
Roger.
Copy, uniform, we request exchange Coventry 123.825.
Copy, uniform to Coventry, see you again.
Okay, the wind's pretty much blowing down the runway. Carbeat's still out, 2 knots of flap, we're a little bit fast. To bleed off a bit of speed. A little bit low as well. Carbeat come in. Bleed off some throttle. There we go. Just off 70 line, we're just off to the left. I'll take it. Golf Bravo Golf, runway vacated, taxi back to take flight.
Golf Bravo Golf, taxi parking.
Aviation, giving way to circuit traffic.
Golf November Delta, roger.
Thank you for watching this video. If you've got this far, please subscribe, hit the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate all your comments, guys. I'm not perfect by any means, always learning. And there'll be another video coming very soon.
There we go.